How to move Roblox to another drive. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can move Roblox to another drive. There are two ways to move Roblox to another drive. The first way is to move the files and create a symbolic link to the new location. To do so, first of all, you need to find the Roblox application on your desktop. Once you find the application, right-click on it and this drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, here you need to select Open File Location. Click on it. Once you do so, you will find the Roblox application on your device. Now you can simply right-click on it and click on Cart icon. Once you click on Cart, now you can choose any drive you'd like to move this Roblox. Here I am selecting Drive E. Click on Drive and here first create a folder. Right-click on it, click on New from the drop-down and select Folder. Once that, a new folder will appear. Here you can give any name to this Roblox. Once doing that, double-click on it to open it. Now here you can paste the Roblox that you have copied from your previous drive. Right-click on it and then click on this paste icon or the option. Once you click on paste, it will start to transfer the Roblox on your new drive. So here you can see the Roblox in a new drive now. By following these steps, you should be able to move Roblox into a new driver. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.